Good afternoon, guys. It's pretty dark, miserable, wet, overcast day today. Now, I have got my air conditioner running, and I did find out that the video that had the really bad sound was no fault of my own. It was the static from the air conditioner that was causing the problem, apparently. So not good, but if this is bad, I will do a voiceover. So today is an experiment. I am using my Montmartepaints paints, kind of picked out the brightest ones I can find. I suppose I should have a bit of white in here too, but anyway. And what I'm testing out is I've got the Boom Gel stain just in this little cup, the Boom Gel Violet, and I've put some Cell Booster because I want to see what kind of cells it gives me over a different product paint as well, because when I tried it in a video I did the other day, it just made the amazing lace. So I'm just testing it to see if it, it can be worked with other paints. So I'm pretty excited about this. So I'm going to just pour these directly from the bottle. Yeah. Oh, I think that one's a bit... Yeah, I'm going to pour them directly from the bottle. So these paints are made to not have to add or take away anything. Sometimes you can find them a little bit thick, so then I just put them into a little cup and either add a little bit of just water, or you can add a little bit of your pouring medium, whatever you choose, but they are made to just pour. So we'll just see how we go. So this is my experiment today. I'm going to just take it from the top actually, because I'm going to, this is just a little bit left, and this one is the hot pink. So I tried to pick out the brightest colours that I could, because I just want to see if it works. So we will definitely try it. Give your bottles a real good shake. They're really highly pigmented, so wear gloves because they do colour your hands, I found. But they, everything is better if you wear gloves. So this is going to be a bright one. As you see, I'm pouring it directly from the bottle because it is pre-made. Yeah, exciting experiment day. So we're on day 5 that Bindi, my Australian Shepherd, has had her puppies. They're all thriving little chubby chunkers. If you haven't seen the little video I put out on my YouTube channel, I'll put a link on the bottom if you're interested in puppies. I will keep posting little videos and update you all. So with the with the fun with the puppies, so it's obviously going to be a really fun time when these puppies open their eyes. I can't wait. Just be interesting to see if we actually get any that's got different colour eyes than Bindi's got, like a greeny hazel eyes, beautiful eyes. So it'd be interesting to see if the puppies get her eyes. Well, the father had brown eyes, so yes, all exciting time. Now I have this little bit of silver that I put a little bit with Floetrol in it. I think it was, obviously I was testing something out, but I thought I'll just put it in here because after the swipe, if I want to, I'm going to swipe it with that Boom Gel, but if I so desire and I do a a balloon kiss, then the Floetrol might help to add a little bit of lacing in there. So who knows? It was just stuff I have lying here, so I'll just tilt this nice and slowly. Just use it as your therapy session. No, Benson. Bindi's in the room next to me with her babies, but I don't obviously let Benson, the puppy, because he would be definitely too clumsy And you have to be careful that the mother, Bindi, even though she loves Benson to death, that she wouldn't attack him because she feel that her babies are threatened. So I'm not going to risk letting Gus, that was my poor, letting Benson go into those puppies or anywhere near them. I don't want Bindi to get upset. But anyway, let's be on with the painting. If you're interested in puppies, there'll be a little bit of puppy cam at the end, or go to my puppy video, which I'll put a link underneath in the comments of this video if you're interested in puppiness. Oh, doesn't that look like... Okay, so let's hope that this... I just want to see the results. Be really interesting now. Do I swipe from the top, or do I swipe from down, or da? You know what? Might go this way and swipe down. It's not so far to go, but look at those Candyland stripes. Beautiful. That might not be... No, I'm going to do it. Thinking, overthink it, don't overthink it. So this was purely the Boom Gel stain in the Native Violet, and I added about 3 drops of Boom Booster because this is a full cup of that. So nothing ventured, nothing gained, as they say. So let's just do it. Where's my swipey tool? I should have got my Swifty swipe out and about. Okay, soft plastic file divider, I absolutely find is my best swipe tool. It has a little bit of weight about it, and then it can be... Oh my God! Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness! I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that word to upset anyone. Oh, but it's just exciting. Oh my goodness! Look at these. Flipping floppers. That is gorgeous. Look at the little champagne cells coming up in all the colours. Oh wow, that's without even adding any heat, which I'm going to do because this is an experiment. But look at this. I should take a photograph of that right now. Oh, holy dooly. Let me just give you a close up. You can see what it looks like. It is gorgeous. Oh, it doesn't look anywhere near as bright under this camera. What's going on? Oh, okay. Sorry, it doesn't look as bright under the camera, but it is. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, love it. Oh, look at that. Coming up more. Wow, there's a turn up for the books. Absolutely flipping gorgeous. Flipping cups gorgeous. That is lovely. I'm really super duper happy with that. Oh, now the ideas are going round my head. So, that is terrific. I am going to do a little balloon in it. I know those of you that don't like the balloon kisses, don't look now. But as this is an experiment, I want to see what the balloon kissing does in it. So I'll just give a couple on the top. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh, I should dip those onto another canvas. Turn it around. Holy dooly. They are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. See what experiment does for you. You can be so tempted to stick with what I know, stick with what works best. And especially if you've got a YouTube channel, you're tempted to go back to the things that you know people like or that don't complain about. But really, that's not what I'm about. I want to enjoy my experience, and I want to experiment. Then it saves all you guys doing it if it works out wonderful for me, and if it doesn't, and then so be it. It's all good. Oh, I'm not gonna. I don't want to balloon all over it, but I was just trying to get rid of these little indiscrepancies. Oh, now I want to do these little flower garden down the bottom with a little flick. Holy dooly jackaroony. I don't know where that saying come from, and I don't know who or what or why I say it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh God, shut up, Gillian. Yes, Gillian is my full name, but I've only ever been called Gilly. I can hear my dad say it now. And I was only ever called Gillian, when I was in trouble by my dad. My mum was always Gilly. Oh, I just love that. I absolutely love it. How could you not? It's so bright and vibrant. It's really made my day. Another fantastic discovery by pushing the boundaries. So that was my montmartepaints paints, exactly as you've seen me do them. I just give them a good shake. So I use the yellow, the hot pink, and I use the magenta in the bigger container, and I use this just orange, plain old orange, and of course I put that silver in, and I had a bit of Floetrol in the silver, so who knows if that made any difference. I don't really know. I'll have to go backtrack it and do it without that. And of course the boom gel as my, that is bloody wonderful, because it's mix and matching paints and getting different looks out of them. So my supplier is in the drop down box underneath in Australia. It's an online supplier, Capriole Shabby Chic, fantastic family run business, as are the boom gel stains you can get from Capriole Shabby Chic, and you can get all the stuff I've used today from them. If you're in the US, I would absolutely, everyone's telling me they can get all of these products on Amazon. Even my heat gun is from Capriole, but in the US they've said they've had no trouble getting them off Amazon. So thank you so much for joining me. And I'm not going to say sorry for my over exuberance of excitement on this particular pour, because everybody told me to not keep saying you're sorry. It's my art room, my rules. So there you go. I'm happy Jen. I've got 9 beautiful puppies, a fantastic life in Queensland, Australia. So who can wish for anything more? Thank you guys, love you all, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm happy. Oh, wait till the end for the photos and a corny joke, a nana joke.